light for any color with the all-new BMW M Vizualizer for BMW individual paint jobs. Just enter the page in the description. On the left bottom side, you can choose the specific BMW or BMW M model. For example, the BMW M3 Competition. Let's try another look. Switch the background on the right. There are more than 150 colors to choose from. So why not pick a base color and start from there and filter by uni, metallic or frozen. Got your favorite shade? Great! Totally your color. Share your dream car with your friends or your dealership. And enjoy your very own personal paint job every day. Keep on customizing with the original BMW M performance parts. And continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW M.